Hello Algebra 2, and this quick video is to help you make your wiki if you miss the first day of class. So you will be creating a wiki on Blackboard, and the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into Blackboard and open up your Algebra 2 page. So go ahead and pause the video if you haven't done that yet. Okay, once you're at your Algebra 2 welcome page, you're going to create your wiki, you're going to go down to the Tools bar and click on Tools. Once the tools come up, you have to scroll all the way down to Wikis. So it's on the bottom right. And click on Wikis. And then you will pick your class. So depending on what class you're in, if you're in 5th period, you will pick 5th period, 6th period, and then 7th period. You'll click on that. So let's just say that you are in 5th period and you're in Mr. Blitch and Mrs. Moore's 5th period class. So go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to come to is the joint wiki. Everyone in 5th period will put their wiki in here, and the home page is an example, a teacher example of a wiki. So you can see an example of what to do. You'll be creating, coming up with an idea that you think would have data that would be interesting to you, and you'll be creating your own wiki. So to get started, all you have to do is create your wiki page. Other resources that are here are the wiki rubric are here, so you can see guidelines. Let's just click on that. So here it talks about your different topics that you can pick. You can pick anything that you think might have a relationship between two variables. So some examples would be looking at the example that I chose, how fast you run, comparing the number of calories that you burn. Another example might be thinking about how long you study, how it correlates to your grade in the class. Other ideas could deal with sports or environmental concerns. This is where you will be brainstorming to determine that. There is a checklist here to give you an idea of all the things you need to do, and then here you can see what you're graded, how you'll be graded. So you want to make sure you fall under the excellent category for all sections. This will be for a test grade, and it'll be out of 100 points. So as long as you're comparing your wiki to this, you should be able to get 100 on this project, this test grade. Okay, let's go ahead and look at how this directions will help you walk you through adding the color to your pages and linking in and using Snagit. There's some information here to how to change the background color. So feel free to add that. So now let's just go ahead and get started. You're going to create your wiki page by clicking on this button. And it'll pop up, and your name, we would like for you to put your first and last name. So I'm just going to write Susan Moore, and you will put your own first and last name. And then in here, you will be adding your wiki. Every time you write something in, it's a good habit to go ahead and hit submit so it saves it. Each day you add something new, I can see how many times you've worked on it by looking at Blackboard. So that's another good habit, just to kind of look at it more than one day and work on different parts of it. To insert pages and website, you'll be attaching an image. You could insert an image, and you could attach a file, and then there's also the HTML button. Let's see, I think it's over here. Yes, so to see for the color, this will be the toggle the HTML button. Okay, Thanks so much. If you need help, please see your teacher.